Fulufhelo? Where am I? Easy, don't force yourself.
This is in Mulenche.
No. You were transferred here last night.
Last night!
Fulufhelo?
Vhutshilo, you're awake. Did you stay here? Where else would I be? What happened?
You disappeared. We searched everywhere. Then we found you unconscious. Don't talk yet.
Did everyone see me? Yes. No. They were there. At the house?
Google was there. The villagers too.
No!
Relax.
They saw me like that.
Yes.
Wonderful.
You're alive.
What a victory.
You're awake.
Cuckoo,
Do you know what you put us through?
I'm sorry.
No.
Sorry is not enough for this. We opened that door and thought we had lost you.
I didn't plan.
Didn't plan what?
I still see her on that floor.
She looked lifeless. And the note?
Did anyone read it?
No.
But Vhutshilo did.
This is bigger than we thought.
What if this happened because of everything people were saying?
No one forced her to do anything.
But we kept talking. Every day.
We kept making her everyone's topic.
Maybe it became too much for her.
She heard more than we thought.
And now she's in hospital.
The note. What about it? Did you read all of it? Yes.
I shouldn't have written it.
But you did.
And now I know how far gone you were.
How has she been since the transfer? Physically, she's more stable this morning. And emotionally, still fragile. Has she spoken much? Very little. She seems ashamed more than anything. That often follows public humiliation and trauma. Her support system seems strong. The woman in blue? Yes, she stayed overnight. That attachment may help her recovery, or complicate it. How so? She carries everyone else's emotions before her own. Then boundaries will be important. Will you be seeing Fulufhelo today? Yes. She needs intervention before emotional withdrawal hardens. Do you think she was trying to harm herself? Right now, I think she was trying to escape something she could no longer carry. Good morning. Morning. How are you feeling this morning? That depends. On what? Whether you mean physically or mentally. Fair question. Physically, doctors say you're improving. Congratulations to me.
Fulufhelo, what?
I'm not here to judge your mood. I'm here because what happened last night was serious.
I know.
Do you? I'd like to speak to Fulufhelo privately. About what? About Fulufhelo. Come. I'll be outside. Now, let's start again.
You can relax a little. I don't think I remember how.
How long have you been carrying all this alone?
Which part?
All of it.
People think they know me. But nobody asks anything.
And if they did?
I don't even know where to start.
Then start with what hurts the most. Being looked at like I'm disgusting. No one deserves that. In my village, apparently they do. Sit down before you wear out the floor. I don't like being outside while she's inside struggling. She needs this. Where was this help before things got this bad?
Sometimes people notice pain too late.
I should have seen how bad she was.
You stayed. Most people would have walked away already.
I'm not most people.
Last night scared people. Good. You wanted them to hurt. I wanted them to stop talking. Everywhere I go, people stare. And the note? I was tired. Tired enough to disappear? I didn't know what else to do. Fulufhelo, I think you need more support than this hospital can give alone.
What does that mean?
It's a difficult situation, Fulufhelo. We're here to help you through it. May I come in? This is Dr. Maseko. Do I have a choice? Yes. You always have a choice. But I'd appreciate a few minutes. Everyone seems to want a few minutes. Occupational hazard. Good. What? You still react. That means you're still emotionally present. My name is Dr. Maseko. I'm not here to force anything from you. Then why are you here? To help you understand what became too heavy.
I'll leave you to...
Would you like me to start with questions or silence? Silence. How are you feeling now?
Still here.
That's a start. Do you want to talk? No. Okay. That easy? I said I won't force you. We'll try again later. You survived last night. That matters.
You haven't rested. Neither has she. You care about her a lot.
She needs support. That's not what I asked. I just don't like seeing her like this.
No. Neither do I.
Do you think she'll be okay?
She has to choose that herself.
I have an update regarding your court appearance.
What happened?
The court date has been postponed.
Postponed it?
The complainant is currently hospitalized.
So what now?
You remain in custody until further notice. For how long?
Until a new date is issued. Does this help our case? No. It changes nothing. You are still facing serious charges.
Have you heard anything from the hospital?
Not yet.
She really scared people.
Especially after what happened at the house.
Maybe we pushed too far. What do you mean? All the talking.
People were just asking questions.
No. We were gossiping. She was already carrying a lot. And now she's in hospital. This whole thing got ugly.
Can I ask you one question? You're going to anyway. When did you stop feeling safe? You don't have to answer immediately.
I don't know.
Try.
A while ago.
That's enough for today.
That's it? You answered. That matters. How are you feeling?
Everyone keeps asking that.
You'll get tired of hearing it. Are you worried? I don't know how to feel. That's normal. Nothing about this feels normal. You don't have to figure everything out today.
Good. Because I can't.
One step at a time.
Can I come in? You're already inside. How are you? Right. Bad question. You really stayed. Yes.
Why?
Because leaving didn't feel like an option. You scared me.
I know.
She opens up in small pieces, but she's still very guarded. That's expected after trauma. She still avoids direct emotional disclosure. She trusts safety before she trusts words. Her episode last night, it was serious. Yes, risk level was high. It still is. So what do we do now? We don't rush her. But we don't leave her alone either.
She has support in the room. Yes? And we monitor closely.
This case is becoming more complex than expected. No. It was always complex. We just didn't see it early enough. How was the rest of your day? Long. Long days usually mean a lot happened inside your head.
You talk like you live there.
Sometimes I do. Earlier, you were quiet when I asked about safety. Do you remember what came to mind?
I don't want to talk about it.
Okay.
That's it? Yes. But I want you to know something. You don't have to carry it alone forever. I already am. For now, but not permanently. I can't do this. I can't.
I can't do this. I can't.
You're officially discharged today.
So I'm really leaving this place?
Yes, but recovery continues outside.
She won't be alone.
That's important. Support is everything now. We will make sure she is safe at home.
I still don't feel ready. So I'm really leaving.
Yes, but follow-ups are important.
She will go. Good luck.
She's back. After everything that happened to her, some of us should have spoken up earlier. Others said she was raped and others said she was lying. So who is the father then? She must change how she lives in this village.
No, she doesn't owe them anything.
They are already talking again.
Let them talk until they are tired.
This will not stop. She was raped, Gugu. And you wanted her just for them? No, they will adjust to her.
They said Rendani, Mashudo and Shoni were arrested. So it was true? Or she changed the story because she's pregnant?
She tried to end her life, let's say.
And now we are the ones being blamed.
But some of us did push her away.
Please, Fulufhelo, don't push me away. Vhutshilo, stop. I can't do this. But I love you. No, it's too complicated. Fulufhelo, please. I can't hide this anymore. Vhutshilo, don't. You know we can't. Just once.
Stop! I can't do this!
Please, just go. So you're carrying all of this alone and still shutting out the people trying to stay?
Staying is temporary. People always leave.
You keep pushing everyone away like it will make this easier. Because letting people in has done wonders for me, right? This isn't a joke, Fulufhelo. Then stop looking at me like I'm something worth saving. Too late.
What? I care about you. More than I planned to. More than I should. Vhutshilo, no. Tell me you didn't feel something too. I have a girlfriend.
Since when?
She's studying in Johannesburg.
And you never thought to mention that.
I thought we were just friends.
Clearly one of us missed that memo.
I have to go.
Why like this?
She needs space.
Did something happen?
No,
Then why leave?
it's better this way.
Did anyone else see Vhutshilo leaving? With a whole bag? She looks serious too. Not like someone coming back. But why now?
First she's always at Fulufhelo's side, now suddenly she disappeared.
This story has too many plot twists. Then what was all this?
That house is carrying too much drama for 1 week. Whatever happened there, it definitely wasn't small.
Where's Vhutshilo?
She left. Left? She walked out not long ago.
With no explanation?
She just said she had to go.
And that was it?
That was it.
She didn't even say goodbye.
You can still call her if it matters that much.
That's the problem. I don't know why it matters.
Court is Monday. So soon? Victim is out of hospital now. This is going to explode. We are not ready for this. Court doesn't wait for readiness. We are not prepared for this pressure.
You should have thought about that earlier.
I already miss her. She was always the one who stood up for me. She knew everything, even the rape, even the pregnancy. And she still stayed, but I pushed her away. Because of Rofiwa. I know I feel something. But I kept ignoring it. Like it would disappear. What if she's gone forever? What if she blocks me? What did I just do? What am I supposed to do?
About what? Rofiwa, your girlfriend in Johannesburg?
She doesn't know anything.
Nothing?
Not about the rape. Not about the pregnancy. Not even about who I've become here.
And Vhutshilo?
That's exactly the problem.
So who are you actually scared of losing?
What if I already know the answer and I'm just too scared to admit it?
Can Fulufhelo keep holding onto Rofiwa when her heart may already be choosing someone else?